Hey guys, so today I've got a 2020 Toyota Corolla. I'm going to show you how to reset the electronic parking brake or put it in maintenance mode while doing a brake job. It is necessary on these vehicles. Without that, you will not be able to push the piston in. There's two ways to do it. One, we can use a scan tool like this one, the one that I always use, but not everybody has one. There's a lot of scan tools available. Some are expensive, some are not. Some are specifically just for parking brakes. But on this vehicle, it's not necessary to have a scan tool. We can just do this procedure. So the first thing we're going to do is turn the ignition to the on position. Press the brake pedal. Press this button up. 1, 2, 3. Down 3 times. 1, 2, 3. And hold it. You'll see this light flashing. We're going to leave the parking brake and let go of the button. Next step, we're going to press and hold this button down. And you should hear the rear electronic parking brake retracting. Once it's done, let it go. Turn the ignition to the off position, and you're good to go to the brake job. And once you finish, just turn the ignition back to the on position. You'll see that the park light will be flashing right over there. So is this light over here. What we're gonna do, just turn the ignition on. Do not press the brake pedal. Just pull and hold. Takes about 3 to 6 seconds. You'll start hearing the noise from the rear, from the electronic caliper. Let it go. This light should be off. The park light should be stop flashing. I'm gonna turn it off. Start it. The park light is off. This light is off. You can check the parking brake operation to be working normal. And that's it. So it's a very simple procedure. No special tools are needed for all those DIYers or even technicians. You don't need to take it to a specialty shop to do the brakes done. You can do it by yourself. So hopefully this helps. Thank you for watching this video. Please support, like, and subscribe.